Hey guys, my name's Rick. I'm going to be taking you through my interactive whiteboard lesson using micro.com. Just a brief overview of some of the features they have. You can select different templates over here, draw different text boxes with this. You have a sticky note function over here, different shapes, which I'll show you how I utilized over here when I get later into the presentation. You have a connection line. You can use a pen for you could draw on the whiteboard itself. You can post comments. You can have a frame, which I'll show you how I did over here. You can upload different pictures, which I did right here. I uploaded a map of the 13 colonies. And down here, a really cool feature that I used was a paste iframe code. And basically, when you click on that, if you post like a YouTube video, it will come up right here. And it'll come up as a text box. And it'll start out really small, and you can make it any bigger or smaller if you want from there, and you could put it real easily right into your presentation for your class. So basically, just a brief description of my lesson. I'm doing a interactive map of the 13 colonies, and basically the stars from the map that I crudely recreated over here, you can drag them from the map, from the flag I mean, and put them on the map as such. So you can have your students come up to the board, and you can just paste it right there, and it's a really nice, interesting way to learn about where the 13 colonies are, um, stuff like that. Now the shapes function I used, really easy. You come over here, I put a square, obviously drag that to be like a rectangle, and a really cool function was I was able to duplicate it to keep the exact ratio to make it as pretty much as even as possible, because recreating the map was just a little difficult. Um, the frame I used over here, it's really small. I wish I could figure out how to make it bigger, but it has the names of the colonies, so you can, I guess, kind of organize your interactive lesson a little bit better. But yeah, that's my frame that I used, and basically I can, if I click on it, oh, I can drag it by coming here and drag it, and all the stars will stay in place. So it was a really easy way to keep everything organized while reconstructing this map. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my presentation and you find it interesting.